Okay, so problem number 5 on your CBA review, it wants you to determine which is equivalent to 16 to the negative 1/2 power. The first thing that you should notice here is that you have a negative exponent. So that negative exponent means that your base has to flip. So for this problem, we're actually going to have to create a fraction so that we have a place to flip this. We can flip it down into a denominator. So when I write it, I know that automatically I'm going to have my 16 in the denominator. I only get to list my 16 1/2. So I'm going to put a 1/2 here to remember that. And then on top, to hold the fraction together, I'm going to put a 1. So the other piece, if you look at your answers, none of your answers actually have a 16 in them. So this is what we talked about before, that rational exponents were used in place of those radical symbols, those square roots. So what we're actually doing here is 16 to the 1/2 power is going to be the same thing as the square root of 16. So then I'm actually going to simplify this by taking the square root, which would leave me with 1/4. Square root of 16 would be 4. So our answer here would be A. The negative exponent does not mean your total answer is negative. Has nothing to do with that. The negative exponent just tells you that you flip that either into the denominator or up to the top if it was already in a fraction.